Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to use ChatGPT to fix your resume. You can use ChatGPT to fix and enhance your resume by following these steps. First, open a web browser, then go to ChatGPT website. Make sure you are logged in. Then, open your existing resume file in a word processor. For example, Microsoft Word, Google Docs, or Notepad. Copy the entire text of your resume or specific sections you'd like to improve. So for me, I want to copy the entire text. Then, paste your resume text into the ChatGPT input box. Add a specific instruction to guide the improvement process, such as, please review my resume and suggest improvements. Make this resume more tailored for a specific job role. For example, software developer. Fix formatting and grammar issues in this resume. Once you hit enter, ChatGPT will give you resolutions to your resume. How about provide context? Give additional details about the job you're applying for. For example, this resume is for a marketing position. I'm applying for a remote customer service role. This is for a senior level management job. Then hit this button to get the results. ChatGPT will analyze your resume and offer suggestions such as improved wording for job descriptions, adding relevant skills, achievements, or action verbs, highlighting accomplishments with measurable results. How about request specific edits? You can ask for further refinements such as, can you make this resume sound more professional? Add bullet points to describe my achievements. Tailor this resume for a business development representative role. And hit enter. Now, copy the updated text from ChatGPT. Paste it back into your resume document and your word processor. Adjust formatting, fonts, and layout as needed to ensure it looks professional. Save the finalized version of your resume as PDF for job applications or keep it in docs format for further edits. Tips for best result. Be specific. Use bullet points. Focus on results. Double check output. By leveraging ChatGPT, you can refine and tailor your resume for specific job applications, making it stand out to potential employers. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.